Hello everyone, I'm Mike Ruge, and I wanted to welcome you to this introductory video on the Advanced Color Theory Suite. Let's start with Effect X. The tool currently has three fantastic features: Saturation, Light X, and Dream. Let's begin with Saturation. From here, we can adjust the color boost and color depth to the left to decrease and to the right to increase the effect. Color boost enhances the vividness without oversaturating the colors, and color depth increases the color depth. Now let's move on to Light X. This tool has light and shadows enhanced to increase the lights or shadows, glow for creating a dreamlike effect on the shadows, and glow light for a dreamlike effect on the lights. If you fine-tune these two last ones, the effect is fantastic. Unfortunately, I can't provide settings because it varies a lot from photo to photo. Now let's explore Dream, divided into Dream Light and Dream Shadows. As the names suggest, the sliders apply an Orton Dream effect to the photo. Again, by adjusting them just right, they can give the photo a fantastic effect. Now let's move on to Moody. It was created to provide inspiration for those who, for one reason or another, are feeling uninspired. Simply press Generate Random Mood, and when you see a mood you like, click Apply. It will automatically apply the colors to a gradient map. But be careful, the colors are random and not pre-made, so if you skip one, you won't be able to go back. Now let's talk about Color Masks, a tool for creating selective masks based on color. Using it is very simple. Click Select Color. Click on the color you want to select and mask. Click OK. Next, click Select Mask to activate it. Select the layer where you want to apply the mask, and then click Mask. That's it. Now you have a super precise mask on the color you chose. Now let's move on to ColorX, a tool that's fairly simple to use. We can adjust the colors for shadows, highlights, and midtones. Additionally, we can choose whether to apply color correction in color luminance. Now let's move on to Color Bloom. Its usage is identical to that of color theory. You can generate color palettes based on precise schemes, apply these palettes automatically, and much more. For specific instructions on how to use it, I recommend checking out the color theory tutorial on the channel. Now, let's move on to the crown jewel, released just yesterday as a free update, Color Harmony. It's the first of its kind in UXP. Other plugins that offer similar features are still stuck in the now outdated CEP, which is no longer supported by 90% of processors, especially the newer Apple Silicon chips. But we took on the challenge and successfully created it. While it's currently in beta, It will soon receive numerous free updates that will significantly enhance its capabilities. Stay tuned. That's all for this introductory video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like so you don't miss the upcoming specific tutorials. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.